Hey everybody, Robbie here, and I'm super excited to talk to you guys about a brand new feature in BadgeHub. So previously we announced the integration between BadgeHub and PDK, and today we're gonna make the integration even more magical. So what I wanna show you guys today is how you can take a Prox card number, enroll it during the print process using the Halo card printer, and have it automatically work in the PDK system. So let me show you. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna pull up my record. And once the record's pulled up, we're going to take a picture, go ahead and press capture, take the selfie. Awesome. But one thing you are going to notice is that the data is already in the system. So things like first name, last name, ID number, and really importantly, group membership. That helps to know which doors you have access to and when. And all that can be brought over using our data connector tool, which connects to an HR system or an SIS system to bring all the information in. Now, one thing you will notice is there's not a credential listed. So when I take a blank Prox card, as you can see here, and we have our card number of 36258, if I tap it on the reader, you're going to notice that it doesn't work because it's not active. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Prox card into the printer. I'm going to close the printer, and then from the BadgeHub app, I'm going to click Save and Issue. So what's going to happen here is the command's going to be sent to this printer. So you'll hear the printer pick it up, and what it's going to do is it's going to take that Prox card. And right now it's pausing because what it's doing is it has a reader inside of it and it's going to read that Prox card number and assign it to the record in BadgeHub. Now once it's inside in BadgeHub, the integration is going to send it from BadgeHub to PDK and it's going to be automatically active. So long story short, as soon as the card pops out of here, it's going to be active. So this works with any Prox card, 26-bit, 35-bit, these different types of Prox cards that you want to use, and it could not be easier. So gone are the days of having to use a USB enrollment reader or manually entering that Prox card number. So we'll take the card, you'll notice that it will print out, got my picture on it, and then this time we're going to take it to the reader, we're going to tap it, and you'll notice that the reader now turns green. Pretty cool, right? So that's not even the coolest thing about it. So now let's go through a quick scenario. You're at a parking lot of a grocery store and you're walking in with your ID badge and you drop it, you lose it. Usually that's a big problem. Usually that leads to something we call credential overflow, where you have more cards than you do credentials. So remember, this card works. So let's move it over here. Let's pretend we dropped it, okay? So what happens then? Person comes into HR, goes to the badging station, says, hey guys, I need a new badge, mine doesn't work. Person brings a new blank Prox card, you're gonna notice it doesn't work. So what they're going to do is they're going to load it into the printer. We'll close it up. And then we're going to pull up my record once more. So this time my photo's already there. My information's already there. And also important this time, my old Prox card number is still there. So remember this one that's currently sitting in the grocery store parking lot. But this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Save and Issue. So the same process is going to happen. The printer's going to take that card. It's going to take it, it's going to print on it, it's going to read that Prox card number, it's going to add it into BadgeHub, but this time it's going to do one additional step. It's actually going to deactivate this card. So this card that's currently sitting in the grocery store parking lot is going to be deactivated. Now one thing I want you to notice is I didn't have to go in, I didn't have to select an old Prox card, I didn't have to go and confirm it, I didn't even have to know the old Prox card number. All I had to know is that, hey, I needed a new card. And I needed to be able to print a new one. The system's gonna handle that. And then once we have that new card active in BadgeHub, it'll be active in PDK as well. So let's take the new card. You'll see it's now printed on. We'll take it to the reader. It works, now green. So now if somebody was at the grocery store parking lot, they pick up my old card and they're like, I wonder if I can get into the front door. Let's test it out. You'll notice it doesn't work. Just that quick. It's just that simple and just that easy. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to talk to you about it.